Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientic CRM Consulting and welcome back to the another video. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about an overview of Zoho Mail. So let's get started. So right now here we are in Zoho Mail. So Zoho Mail is just simply like any other mails, like for example Gmail or like Outlook, but like most of the features are same. Like here you can see your inbox, drafts, templates. Like if you have any template, or you can create your own template here, like how you want it to be, so you can set it up as well. And sent, you can see all your sent emails which are sent, spam, trash, outbooks, newsletter notification. So it's just similar like any other email. Here you can also create some views, like if you wanted to see only unread emails, all messages, flagged or archived, etc. So it is just simply like any other emails. So if you go to the settings, so Zoho Mail also offers like different kind of integrations as well. For example, if you wanted to integrate it with, we have Zoho Mail has a lot of integrations which you can do. Like for example, it can easily integrate with Dropbox. Like if you are using Google Drive, it can also integrate with that also. So all these options like Slack, Zia, Zoho Books, Click, Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory. So all with Zoho tools, it can easily integrate. So that is one of its specialty. And apart from that, you can see like you can create your keyboard shortcuts, like whatever you like. So these are some global shortcuts, but if you wanted to create your own, you can also do that. And in the system you will see some like normal configuration settings, like display language, do you want it English or any other language. So it almost support every language, so that is also feasible. And you can also select your fonts, font size, like notification tone, like how you wanted the notification sound to be, like it should be Bell Electric. So all these settings. So yeah, pretty much it. And apart from that, you can also select your mail view options, like how you wanted to see your mails, like it should be on vertical or horizontal. So all that settings. And apart from that, you can also set up your out of office. Like for example, if you are out of office, if you are on vacation, so you can also set it up so that whenever someone mails you on your vacation days, it automatically an email will be sent to that person that for this particular day you are on vacation. So all these kind of settings. You can also select your hotkeys, like the simple hotkeys like NM means nice to meet you. So if you wanted to configure, you can also configure that as well. So all this configuration you can easily do in Zoho Mail. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance in order to select the right software solution for your business, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.